Hello everyone, in this video we are going to find this red shaded area, but before finding the area we will first understand what the question says. So ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square and its side is 4 meter, and CD, this is O, this is O dash. DOC is the arc. DOC is the arc made by taking A as center. A as center. Similarly, C is the center and DO dash B is an arc, and DOB is an arc made by taking A as center. So I hope the question is clear now. Now let's find the area of this shaded region. So this shaded region, let's call this shaded region red. Red. Let's call it red. Red. Let's call it red. Red equal to complete area square minus this area. This plus this area. Let's call this area X. So this is purely symmetric, so this area will also become X. So red area is area of square minus area of X is X plus X. This is the area we want to find. This is the red area. The area of square minus area of this X region. So area of square is 4 square, side square means 4 square plus minus 2x. That means this is 16 minus 2x. Now we will find the value of x. How will we find the value of x? If we will notice this x area, is this complete area of square minus this sector. This sector is 1/4 of the area of the complete circle. This sector, we'll subtract this sector from this square, we will get x. So here we will write x equal to a square. Area of square minus area of sector. Let's say we are calling this sector S. So area of square is 4 square minus area of sector. Area of sector is 1/4 of complete area of circle, pi into r. We'll notice this, the circle has this radius because this is the sector. So AB is the radius or AD is the radius. So radius is 4 meter. So this will be 4 square. So this is equal 16 minus 1/4 will cancel, minus 4 pi. So x is equal to 16 minus 4 pi. We will use this value of x here to find the value of red area. So let's rewrite red equal 16 minus 2, and in place of x we'll write 16 minus 4 pi. So this will be 16 minus 16 plus 8 pi. This is 32. 16 minus 32 plus 8 pi. This will be minus 16 plus 8 pi, or 8 pi minus 16, and this will be equal to how much? How much? 9.13 meter square. So this is the final answer of red area. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching.